Good day, folks out there. It's Olushola ABC in the studio. You are welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I want to talk about 4 mind-blowing, tasty licks you can play over Makossa music. That is a music that is based on the progression of chord 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. And before we proceed further, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any video updates. Let's proceed to the lesson. So the first lick goes like this. So that's the first lick. So what is the note? Then to the octave. Now I'm taking that again. So playing through some octaves there. That's just the lick. Playing it slowly. So the second lick is no child's play. It goes like this. In this lick, we are basically playing over each chord changes. So I make sure that I'm targeting each chord. So it goes like this. So breaking it down slowly is then playing the arpeggio of that chord 4. Okay. You didn't do the chord 5 arpeggio. Now together. Here is the next lick. Now the breakdown. So this one. Then I slide it to the next note. Then the pentatonics. Then some octave. So the last lick is just like a sweep. You're sweeping through the third string to the 1, then you are picking up back. So it's like this. So the first sweep goes like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. So let's play it together. You do that, you slide it back a little bit. Let's go again. Slowly. Slowly. So the second variation goes like this. Slowly. Now I'm going to play that second variation again. So all together. Hey folks out there, that marks the end of today's lesson. Hope I've been able to add 1 or 2 licks to your arsenal. And please, I would like you to comment, to share and like this video, and please do well to subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update. Enjoy the day.